Welcome to How to Search for Books at PCC Library. First, navigate to the PCC Library website at pcc.edu/library. Next, find the Books, Videos, and More tab on the search bar on the library website homepage. Then, type in your search terms. You can use a title, author, or any keywords you would like, and click the search button to the right of the search bar. Once you have your results page, if you want to refine your results by format, like print books, ebooks, or DVDs, locate the format section on the left side of the screen, and then select the format you're interested in. You can exclude any filter by clicking the crossed-out checkbox to the right of each option, and then click the Apply Filters button. In this example, our search includes print books, but excludes conference proceedings. Use the Library section to refine your search results by items available at a particular PCC campus library. Now, our search results include print books only available at Sylvania Library. Find out where the item is available in the Available At link underneath the item title. Use the call number, for example, 551.588G65B 2019 in this example, to locate the item. If you're looking for ebooks, streaming videos, or other items available immediately online, you can select Online Resources under Availability, or you can select eBooks and/or eVideo under the Format area. Now you can see that our results are online access only. Click any of the online access links to gain access to that item. Need help from a librarian? Click the Contact Us link at the top of the screen, and then use any of the contact options on the Contact Us page on the PCC Library website: chat, online, phone, or in person. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to visit the library website at pcc.edu/library to chat with a librarian. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching!